PM repower information. Repowering truck. Do not remove tarps.
Right. I took my tarps off. Repower and the guy told you he has crappy tarps, would you take your tarps off? I don't want somebody else's bad tarps on a repower. The question is, would you take those tarps knowing that they're bad? Or would you take your tarps off knowing that yours are better than theirs? 3 tarps you just put on today, and now you're going to take them off today.
Repowering truck. Do not remove tarps.
Here's the deal. Monday, we dropped in Minnesota, in Minneapolis, and within a half hour of putting in our empty call, we got a load to go 70 miles south of there and pick up glass. 3 tarp load, 14 straps, did all of that. It was indoors, had some AC, but it was still hot. And we took off, and about, 10 miles into that drive, got a message from my DM saying I was going to get repowered. And that repower was going to happen in Des Moines. While driving down to Des Moines, I talked to the other driver that I was going to repower with and asked him what condition his tarps were in. He said his tarps were in bad condition. Well, I wasn't going to take his bad tarps. So I told him I was untarping that load, and spoke to my DM, and she said that was fine. I got there around 3:30. He wasn't expected till 5:36, and I took all 3 tarps off. It was hot, about in the 90s. I got them all off, folded up, everything put away, and waited. He showed up about 5:30, 6 o'clock, and he was a nice kid. He was a nice kid and everything. His 3rd load with the company, and his 2nd repower. So the 2 of us knocked it out and got that thing done, and probably around 8 o'clock we were done with everything that we needed to be done with, and I took a shower and went to bed. His load was easy. It's machinery parts, no tarp, on a step deck, and very light, like 28,000 pounds. And really, my plan was to come to this hotel because I've spent 5 nights here when my truck broke down here in Cheyenne, like, I don't know, a year and a half ago. So I knew that that dirt parking lot was back there for trucks, and it's a nice hotel. While driving here, I got another message from my DM going, hey, you're going to get another repower that's going to happen tomorrow morning in Rawlins, Wyoming. And Rawlins is about 140 miles from where we're at now. That load is going to Colorado Springs, Colorado. But while we're here, we're going to do laundry, sleep in a king-size bed, take a shower tonight, take a shower in the morning, get up around 5, go down, have continental breakfast, walk across the street, get in the truck, and head to Rawlins, get there maybe 8:30 tomorrow morning.